I have a confession to make. I never liked cooking in my life. No offense to those who do, but I just find it so time consuming. I'm not in the mood to prepare all of these things and then use the stove, and it's just not my thing. Until today, because of this, ouch! Well, it finished cooking, that's why. Because of this guy. And that's the Instant Pot. Today, let me show you what I was able to cook by myself. That's right, I just dumped everything in and I was able to cook this thing. So let's check out what I was able to cook. Instant Pot, and it's a must-have for every man out there that does not like to cook. Not just man, or woman as well, that does not have enough time or the energy or the mood to cook. This thing works through pressure, and it has two ways to vent or release that pressure. You can press this to vent, or there's the natural release. And the way to find out if it's ready, if the pressure's been released, is when this thing goes down there. So you can see here that valve has to go down there. You can see here that it's been 37 minutes now, and it's ready. So let's see what I was able to cook today. Wow, man, look at that. Amazing. This is healthy. And let me see the chicken if it cooked well. Where's the chicken? Yeah, man, look at that. So tender. Incredible. Just look at that chicken, man. That's chicken breast. So you can cook healthy meals without having to order out or rely on anyone for that matter. So let me just put some for me here. Gonna put some chicken. Oh man, that chicken breast looks delicious and tender. Some delicious cabbage and broccoli. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Potatoes. A little bit more. Hey guys, what do you think? Bon appetit. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Mmm. Incredible, man. So juicy and so good. I can't believe I did this, man. You can too. Try the Instant Pot. By the way, this video is not affiliated with Instant Pot or any other company for that matter. I'm just telling you how incredible this thing is. I can't believe I cooked for myself without having to rely on anyone. I don't have to order out anymore. This is incredible. I highly recommend the Instant Pot as food tech. Remember, this is a food channel, so I recommend tech products. This is a must-have food tech in your kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great, delicious day.